Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be looking at the early review from a Chinese reviewer. This is for the Chao Bingji Hua model Awakening Super Soldier Gundam Kyrios. Based on what we have, we see a standard Kyrios but we'd have an outer armor that is based on a garage kit build. Beside the standard weapon that we get from the Kyrios model, we also get this additional missile launchers, and this one also stores the additional items that you have for this model kit. And we also get this very nice action-based stand. And looking at this model kit, this is already decaled and panel lined. And as you can see, this blows the original master grade of Bandai out of the water. Let's check the articulation. The head can actually move like this. Can do left and right. They added an extra V-fin here. And the fin on the head has articulation for the transformation gimmicks. Locking mechanism for the GN drive, which housed the LED gimmicks. And based on what we see, magnetic touch allows switching through multiple modes. We have waist articulation side to side. The waist can go up, and the waist can also bow down as seen on this video. Can do a full 360 waist rotation, and we have a butterfly shoulder movement which allows for more dynamic posing options. The arm supports multiple points of articulation as shown here. We get more than 90-degree elbow bend, and the hand has multiple articulation compared to a standard master grade. You could mount the GN shield to this model kit as well as this GN missile pods. The waist armor are fully articulated. On the back skirt armor, we access the beam saber handles. We get this extended crotch mechanism for more dynamic posing options. And we also get this articulated leg which can do the full splits, more than 90-degree elbow bend, and this one can lock into place. The side thrusters also can be articulated as shown on this video. We have decent range of movement for the feet for more dynamic posing options as seen here. And this one folds for the transformation gimmicks. The backpack folds nicely for the transformation gimmicks. The weapons are nicely detailed, and this is modified compared to the original master grade of Bandai. The GN shield has articulation gimmicks for transformation and weapon support. We have missile components that can be attached for both of the arms. And last on the list is the actual GN missile pods. This opens up individually to display the missiles on it. And this also has a missile assembly, a deployable structure underneath. And the most surprising feature is that storage space can be pulled out from the back. And furthermore, the entire component also has a certain degree of mobility. And finally, let's take a look at the flight mode. This one looks nice and very streamlined, and the actual extra component adds value to this model kit. And for the fans of the 00 Gundam, this will be a good addition to your Gundam 00 Master Grades. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.